So I've been wanting to do it for a while. I finally brought myself to do it, and I decided to get myself a drone. So this particular drone, you can see it's by Maximum, 2.4 gigahertz outdoor drone with streaming video. Since I've never flown a drone before in my life, this one, the skill level is beginner to intermediate. Special feature streams video to mobile device. Age is 14 plus, outdoor only. And here's some more features about it. Altitude hold. Onboard camera. Onboard video. And it has a range of 300 feet, which is approximately 90 meters. Yeah, it seemed like it took me about 15 minutes to get this drone out of the box. They really have it secured in that box very well. I guess, well, it is a fragile... It is a fragile thing, so I guess they wanted to make sure to have it well secured to, in order to reduce the chances of damage to it. But these are all the parts. You can see how big the drone is. That gives you an idea of how big it is. These are all the extra parts all the parts that it comes with. It even comes with some extra propellers. It comes with an instruction manual, of course. And I think I saw somewhere on here, unlimited replacement parts for 1 year. So, obviously I haven't flown it as yet. I haven't gotten around to flying it as yet, but I will be doing that in the very near future, and when I do that, I'll share that with you guys. And also, well, the whole reason I bought a drone was so I could shoot aerial footage from it. So I'll show you some of that aerial footage and do a review on this drone. I've never flown one before, so it should be interesting to see what it's like. And I guess you're also wondering, okay, the price and where I got it. So this drone, I picked it up from Walmart, got it on Black Friday. I paid just under $45 for it, so it was $44.97 or somewhere thereabouts, plus tax. And this drone is normally almost $100, like $99.97 or somewhere thereabouts, plus tax. So I saved more than 50% on it. So once I take it out for a flight, I will share that with you. Okay, talk to you later.